turn out, follow along routine. We are going to begin with a very simple warm-up, parallel position. Relax your knees, hands on the hips, and we are going to in, out. Yeah? So step in, and out. And again, just feel your hips warming up, rotating inwards and outwards. Inwards, outwards. Just feel everything happening from here, right? From your hips socket. 3 more. Let's get the motion happening so we feel and we'll get ready. Last one. Let's go to the floor. Bend your knee. There are feet on the ground, and we are going to open to butterfly position and close 2. 1, 2, close 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are going to bounce just there. Relax, gentle bounce. Don't press too much, just a little bit. Just bounce, bounce, bounce. Let the weight of your legs to help you. Awesome. Our last exercise from the warm-up, we are going to close. We are going to open, press, gentle, and close. Press, gentle, and close. Just that. Gentle, please. We are warming up. We are not forcing our legs to open. If you cannot get your butterfly position that open, it's fine. You just keep trying. Keep doing these exercises so you can get one day to this open up position. Our last exercise, press gentle, leave it gentle, and release. We are going to lay sideways. Your left hand is on the floor, left leg is on the ground. We are going to turn out, and we are going to bring the top leg 60 degrees, almost in a coup de pied. We're going to open and close. Now, here you have to make sure that your glutes are not really squeezed in and your abs, no, just control. So your glutes are going to be engaged enough to help you to stabilize your hips while you're doing this rotation, okay? So let's do 10 repetitions. Breathe, stretch your bottom leg, and we open 1 and close. So try to imagine how is your hip flexor rotating, turning out. Imagine when you open a door, that door is doing that. 1 and close. Let's do 4 more. And control, close. The move is only happening from that hip flexor. 2 more. Use your right hand to help you to get that balance. Last one, and down. Now we are going to go up to 90 degrees, rotate from retire, and just lower to coup de pied, and up, and lower down, and up. Only that. 5 more, let's go. And lower down. Remember, control your glutes muscle. Good, very good. Let's go. 3 more. Lower down. 2 more. Lower down. Last one. Awesome. Now we're going to stretch the butt mountain to the side. We're going to rotate in and out. Only the top leg. And out. One more time, rotate in and out. You have to visualize that opening up, that rotation happening from the hip joint. So look at your leg, the position it is, and it's rotating. Take your time in, rotate out. Let's do 4 more. 1, 2, 3. Remember to engage glutes and core muscles to help you to have stability, but don't squeeze really hard because then all the pressure goes to your hips. Last one. Awesome. Now we're going to change to the other side. Right hand on the floor, right side on the ground, the left hand in front of you, stretch legs, and we are going to bring 60 degree and open and down and open. Nice. So feel it on your hips, nothing is happening. The bottom leg is barely moving, nothing's going on down there. 3 more. Don't hurry the exercise. Rotate out and in. 2 more. Out and in. Last one. Out and in. Bring it up to 90 degrees. Open, ready there. And let's go down and up and down, up. Come on. Down, up. Visualize your hip staying turned out the entire time. It's going forward, your pelvis is facing forward, nothing is facing up. Last one. Good. Let's stretch leg to the side and rotate in and out. In, out. Imagine that knee facing all the way forward and facing all the way up to the ceiling. And knee face forward and all the way up to the ceiling. Glutes are engaged. Pelvis is neutral position. 2 more. In, out. Last one. In, out. Awesome. So for a stretch, sit with bent knee, feet on the ground. You're gonna bring your right foot to left knee, right hand inside, and you're going to press with your elbow down, and there you are stretching hamstring and a little bit of quadriceps there. It doesn't matter if it's upright position or not, however, I would recommend you to keep upright position and a straight line between your neck and your spine. Nice. Release, change. Left hand inside, bring elbow on top of your knee and press, slide it down. Next, sit on your knee. Lift hips up, open one leg in front of you. Your hip is going to press forward and down. That's awesome. Open arms to second position, and we are going to reach towards the leg that is bent in front of us. Now remember to keep that hip flexor stretching, so slightly resting over the front knee or leg and up. Last time. Forward, reach toward the leg that is bent in front of us. And change to the other leg. Flex, relax and rest forward and reach toward the leg that is bent. And press hips down. Up, one more time. Awesome. Today's exercises are going to help you to improve turnout, but only if you do it very often, not just one day, every month, or let's see what happens, okay? 3 simple exercises for turnout plus stretching and warm up before, so make sure that you do the entire routine how it's meant to do.